All right, my friends, for our recycled rockets, let's talk about how we're going to finish them. First of all, you've had a week. Let's check around the house, see if we had any other recycling, see if we wanted to add anything, see if you saw anything lying around that looked cool that you might want to add, even temporarily. You can always take it off when the project is done. And you're going to go ahead and add any of those extra things that you wanted to add. And then let's try to finish it off and make it look really polished. Most of you will be able to do this. Some of you can't, and that's okay. Just do your best. So if you have acrylic paint, it's going to look something like this, where it's in like a tall can, not those little washable paint pots or anything that says tempera. We don't want tempera because it scratches right off. But acrylic paint will stick. Acrylic paint also stains your clothes too, so make sure that you are wearing either old clothes or a smock or something, and so that you don't get it on your clothes. If you don't have acrylic paint, don't go out and buy it. Just let's come up with some other solutions. So some other ideas. We could use plain white paper and wrap it in that, and sometimes that means sort of piecing it together, but then you get to draw those cool like NASA logos and space logos on it. You could use something like wrapping paper. You could use grocery bags. You could use washi tape, duct tape, anything that you have, just to sort of make it look like it's a cohesive unit and not so many different parts. Try to make it look like it all belongs together. And then you're going to take either a picture or hopefully a video. A video would be really cool because then you can explain to me what you were thinking when you did it and turn it in on Schoology. All right, if you have any questions, send me a message. I'm going to go ahead and grab mine and I'll be right back. Okay, my friends, as you can see, I have one coat of that orange paint on mine. It is very bright. It sort of looks like a safety cone sometimes, but you can still see through it. That's okay. I will probably do a second coat just because I want it to look like it's a little bit more cohesive. And then I will probably add some details here to cover up some of this paint. I think I have some duct tape so that I can add some of those like silver details, and I may cut it into smaller pieces, like do a thin strip around that edge there, and like cut it in half and do like a thin strip around this edge, and maybe another one up here, just to sort of give it that rocket look. And then maybe cut some little squares to make it look like there are buttons or doors. So take a good look at your rocket and really think about where it is, what does it need, and how can you finish it. All right, I really can't wait to see these. Okay, bye. If you have any questions, send me a message on Schoology, a video or a text, and I will get back to you. Okay, bye. See you Friday.